Hey there and welcome. I'm really glad you're here because today we're going to talk about something that so many English learners struggle with. Confidence. If you've ever felt shy, nervous, or even embarrassed when speaking English, trust me, you're not alone. But here's the good news. You can fix that, and I'm going to show you how. Now, let's start with this truth. Speaking confidently doesn't mean speaking perfectly. You don't need to sound like a native speaker or know every advanced word. Speaking confidently means expressing yourself clearly, even if you make small mistakes. It's about feeling comfortable, staying calm, and trusting yourself when you speak. Think about it. Have you ever listened to someone who had an accent or made grammar mistakes, but you were completely engaged because they spoke with confidence? That's the key, and that's what we're aiming for. So take a breath. Let go of the pressure to be perfect. And let's build your speaking confidence step by step. Part 1. Daily habits that boost speaking confidence. All right, let's talk about what you can actually do to start speaking with more confidence. And the first tip is simple, but powerful. Speak out loud every day. Just 5 minutes of speaking English aloud, maybe while you're getting ready in the morning, can help train your mouth and brain to feel more natural using the language. Try talking to yourself in the mirror. Say things like, "I'm going to the store," or "Today is a busy day." Don't worry about sounding silly. You're creating a habit that will make real conversations easier. Next, learn phrases, not just words. Don't memorize the word go by itself. Learn how to say, "Can you go with me?" or "I'm going to the office." These ready-to-use chunks help you speak faster and sound more fluent without overthinking. And here's a big one. Stop translating in your head. This slows you down and increases anxiety. Instead, train your brain to connect directly with English words. When you see a tree, just think tree, not the word in your native language. This mental shift takes time, but it's a game changer. Part 2. Confidence tricks that actually work. Let's move into some really practical confidence-building tricks that you can start using today. First, record yourself speaking. I know it might feel strange at first, but it's incredibly effective. Just talk about your day, your dreams, your favorite movie, whatever comes to mind. Then play it back and listen. You'll start to notice how your pronunciation sounds, where you pause, and where you shine. And most importantly, you'll hear your progress. Also, try to connect with others. Join online speaking groups, language exchange apps, or local meetups. Speaking regularly with real people builds confidence fast. Everyone's learning, and it's a supportive environment to grow in. And here's something you might not think about. Body language. How you carry yourself affects how you speak. If you stand tall, smile, and use your hands naturally when you talk, you'll feel more confident. And you'll sound it too. And one more thing. Mistakes are okay. Let me say that again. Mistakes are okay. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. What matters is that you keep speaking. When you make an error, just smile and say, "Let me try again." That right there is real confidence. Part 3. Real-life scenarios plus power phrases. Now let's get a little more practical. I want you to imagine real situations where you might use English. Picture this. You're at the airport and you walk up and say, "Excuse me, where is gate 24?" That's confident English. Clear, simple, polite. Or you're at the supermarket and you ask, "Do you have almond milk?" They say, "Yes, aisle 4." You smile and say, "Thank you." These moments are small, but they build real-world experience and confidence. Even on the phone, you can sound confident. Try saying, "Hi, this is Maria. I'm calling about the job application." You don't need long, fancy sentences, just clarity and calm. And when you feel stuck, use these power phrases. "Could you repeat that, please? I'm still learning, but I'll try." "Let me say that in a different way. Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you say it again?" These are your safety nets. They help keep the conversation flowing while giving you a little breathing room. Practice them until they feel natural. Part 4. Final mindset shifts plus motivation. All right, we're at the final stretch, and I want to leave you with the most important piece, your mindset. The way you think about yourself as a speaker matters more than anything. Start telling yourself, "I deserve to speak. I have something valuable to say. I'm improving every time I open my mouth." These are not just nice words, they are true. English is not a test. It's a tool. It's a bridge that connects you with new people, opportunities, and ideas. And you don't have to be perfect to cross that bridge. You just have to keep walking. So, to anyone listening right now, please know that speaking confidently is not about being flawless. It's about showing up, using your voice, and not letting fear control you. You are already making progress just by being here and listening. If this helped you, share it with someone who's learning too. And don't forget to follow or subscribe, because every week I'll be here to cheer you on and guide you forward. Until next time, keep practicing, stay brave, and remember, you don't need to be perfect to be powerful. Speak up, speak proud, speak confidently. You've got this.